Welcome to this video tutorial from the Malden Public Schools, where we will walk through some of the key features of a Google document. So a Google document is the writing environment for Google Drive. Many equate it to a Word document. So let's jump in and get started. Inside of Google Drive, we can create Google documents that will be automatically saved into a student's Google Drive account. To create, I'll navigate to Google Drive, and I can do that through the waffle icon on any Google page, and here's the Google Drive icon, or I can simply type drive.google.com in the browser, and it will bring me to my Google Drive account. When I click New in the top left, I then have the option to create a new Google document. So now that we're in a document, the first thing we should always do is name the document. That can be done in the top left-hand corner by tapping where it says Untitled. Now let's talk about the basic navigation. Across the top of the document is the toolbar or ribbon. Notice anything we would like to do to the text or to the text in our document can be edited from this toolbar or ribbon. If I have text in my document, sample text in my document, if I need to change the font, style, size, appearance, or alignment, all I have to do is highlight the text that I would like to change and then select my font style, change my size, decide if I'd like it would bold or italicized, and then notice I can also change the font color or the alignment, left, center, and right aligned. So now that we've navigated the ribbon in the document, let's talk about some of the key options in the File menu. The File menu allows for a few critical features we should be aware of. The first one is downloading a version of the document. If a student needs a Word version or a PDF version that can be printed, emailed, or attached to a file, or even saved on a flash drive, that's possible from the File download option. Additionally, if a student at any point feels like they have lost the text or their work has been deleted from their document, they can always get to the version history of their document. The version history tracks every change that has been made in a document and allows you to revert to any point of the document at any time. Let's explore some additional features in the toolbar. Under the Edit menu, we have Undo and Redo. From the Insert menu, if a student needs to insert a table or an image, that's possible from the Insert menu, as well as page breaks if needed. From the Format menu, these are many of the same features that appeared in the ribbon. We can change our text style by bold, italicizing, or underlining, change the alignment, and even add bullets and numbering if needed. The Format menu is essentially the same as this ribbon that is viewable across the top of the document. One of the most helpful features in a Google Doc is in the Tools menu. Now, in the Tools menu, students have access to a spelling and grammar tool, word count, and an embedded dictionary. Here's a feature that can be very helpful. It's voice typing, and it's embedded in every document. When I turn on voice typing from the Tools menu, I can tap to turn on the microphone and I can begin speaking, and my voice will automatically transfer from voice to text in the document. Let's begin a demonstration. Here is an example of a student using voice typing from the Tools menu to have ideas that they are thinking about appear in their document automatically without typing, period. This is a very helpful tool for students that might have challenges with typing or simply want to get ideas out quickly onto the document, period. tap on the microphone to turn off voice typing, and now any text that has been added to the page can be edited and manipulated. An additional feature of a Google document is understanding sharing settings. In the top right-hand corner of a document, we have the Share button. Now, every document that is created is private by default. Only the user that created the document has access. However, once the document is shared by tapping on the Share button, the creator of the document can add the names or email or Google accounts of additional people that they would like to share the document with. I'll share the document right now with another user. Now I have the option to decide from a drop-down menu what status I would like them to have. Should that collaborator have viewing rights, commenting where they can only write ideas in the margin, or have full editing rights of the document? I'm going to send the invite. The person that you're sharing the document with will get a message in their Gmail account, and the document will be viewable and shared with me in Google Drive. Now, once I've shared a document, I may change my mind. I can always pull collaborators off of the document. I can simply tap on Share, find the collaborator, and change their status from editor, possibly to viewer, commenter, or I can remove them from the document. Save the changes, and now the document is private again. One of the key features of a Google document is that it automatically saves. Any changes that are made in the document will be captured automatically. And when students go back to their Google Drive account, they can always tap on Recent to find the most recent document they were working on to open and continue their writing. Thanks for watching this short video tutorial on some of the key features and aspects of a Google document.